When designing and building a new project, every detail needs to be perfect. And your choice of railing design is no exception. In the next 3 minutes, you'll learn about a railing infill alternative that's so easy, versatile, and attractive, you'll want to use it on all your railing projects. When it comes to railings, most people immediately think of vertical pickets, horizontal rails, or glass panels. But many creative designers and builders are turning to another option, one that's not only extremely attractive, durable, and low maintenance, but also virtually invisible, perfect for projects with a view. That option? Cable rail. Cable rail cable assemblies take the time and hassle out of ordering and installing cables. These high-strength, all-weather stainless steel assemblies come in 3 cable sizes and include special, easy-to-use end fittings that hide in your end posts. The assemblies are sold in a wide range of standard, pre-cut lengths for easy ordering. Best of all, you don't need to waste time taking precise railing measurements. Just select assemblies that are slightly longer than you need and trim any excess in the field. Each cable assembly comes with a threaded terminal fitting factory attached to one end and a special field-attached quick connect fitting for the other end. To install, simply drill holes in all of your posts. Secure the threaded terminal to one end post with a special washer nut. Lace the free end of the cable through the intermediate posts and opposite end post. Then, slide on a quick connect. Its unique one-way jaws automatically grab and lock on without any tools. Tension the line by tightening the washer nut with a wrench. Trim the excess cable and threads, and finish with decorative end caps. That's it. Cable rail cable assemblies can be used on either wood or metal railing frames, and they're perfect for interior, exterior, commercial, or residential railings in traditional as well as modern design settings. In addition to our standard cable assemblies, we also offer custom made-to-order assemblies to handle any unique design conditions you may have. With our wide assortment of high-quality specialty cables and hardware, our technical specialists can easily help you select the exact products you'll need to achieve your desired result. Beauty, durability, ease of installation, low maintenance, and magnificent views. Now, you have another choice for your railing projects. Cable rail,